Hello, my name is Melis, and today I will be demonstrating how to properly use a Buret in the lab. Firstly, I'll be going over the tools that we'll be using in the lab. I have two beakers, one 250 milliliter and one 400 milliliter beaker, a Buret funnel, a Buret, and a paper clip to make sure that no vacuum seal is produced when I use the Buret funnel and the Buret together. Okay, so firstly I will be filling the Buret with water and properly cleaning out the inside. It's important to note here that the stopcock must be parallel with the table, so that no liquid falls out at this point. I will be using this water both as a titrant and also as the water to clean the Buret. In a typical lab setting, you would first clean out with water and then use your titrant to coat the insides of the walls of the Buret. This is to make sure that none of it is distilled, especially considering the fact that the Buret only holds 25 milliliters. Now I will be taking my funnel and my paper clip. As most of this is glassware, it is important to be careful when using the materials provided. Okay. Wow. Okay. Next, we'll be carefully moving around the liquid inside the Buret to make sure that the insides are properly coated. Because this is just regular tap water, this is of course not safe to do in a lab setting where you're using any liquid other than water. I'm going to be putting my finger at the top so I can more quickly and effectively clean the inside. As you just saw there, I can also twirl the Buret while I'm removing water from it so as to coat the inside. That is what you would typically do if you weren't using water like I was. Next, I'm going to be cleaning the tip with what little water is left at the very tip of the Buret so as to make sure that this is also cleaned out for our titrant. When moving the Buret, you can either twist this little thing up here on the Buret holder to move it, or you can, like as I just did, move the Buret by simply like loosening the grip on it. Anyways, we moved the stopcock such that it's perpendicular with the table. Oh yeah, let me get a close-up of this. It looks like no water is falling out. I'll simply have to put more. I'll do that now.